starting out with Wave Oven Recipes, and today I'm going to be cooking up a homemade French bread pizza using some French bread I made in my bread machine, and going to get that cooked up in the Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven. So let's get started on that French bread pizza. Alright, so first thing you need for French bread pizza, of course, is French bread. And I made this French bread in my bread machine. Basically, making French bread in a bread machine is just like making a regular loaf of white dough, except for you don't use any butter, you use a little less yeast, and you use a little less sugar. And you end up with a bread that has a harder outside crust and is soft inside, French bread. So I've got my loaf, and you have to have like an end cut for your French bread to have a nice bottom on the back of your French bread pizza. Inside of the Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven, I've got a 10¼ inch pizza stone. So before I break out the other ingredients for this French bread pizza, I want to get my pizza stone started warming up. So I just press this button here to get things woke up on the digital air fryer toaster oven. I turn the selector to pizza, and then I press in. I'm going to up the temperature to 450, and then I'm going to press in. I'm going to up the time. Now it has a preheat for pizza. It's going to preheat to 450, but after it preheats, I want it to basically heat the stone for about 20 minutes to get it good and hot. And so once things get down to 10 minutes, that's where I'm actually going to go and slide my pizza right on in there. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start, let it get preheating, and I'll bring you back once this is into its preheat further, like the preheat of the stone after it's done its initial preheat and it's doing the countdown some into the heating of the stone. Then we'll put the pizza together and we'll put it on in there. Alright, so the pizza stone is still heating, another 10 minutes and it'll have done the preheat plus a full 20 minutes of stone preheat time. So now I'm going to start getting my pizza together. I've got some pizza sauce, I've got some shredded mozzarella cheese and some pepperonis. So I'm just going to start, putting on my sauce, then my pepperonis, and then my cheese, and we'll just wait till the pizza stone is all ready to go. Alright, so pizza's together. We'll just wait till this gets down to 10 minutes left and then throw it in there. Alright, just 10 minutes left. Gonna put it in. The fan kind of downshifts when you open the door. So got it on the stone and going to just let that go ahead and run. You hear that fan picks up again once I close the door, so it knows when it's open and closed. Don't have to do like a pause button or anything like that, it just knows. So gonna let this cook. You can maybe you can see this piece of cheese that just melted away that hit the door, but there's the light only stays on for like 20 seconds or so. It doesn't stay on very long, but I'm gonna let it go ahead and cook and I'll bring you back. Alright, just 3 minutes have passed, just 3, and I'm going in. Gotta save it before it gets too hot. Kind of sliding to the back as I was trying to get it out. But there we have a completed French bread pizza in just 3 minutes off the pizza stone. Alright, we got our French bread pizza. I'm just going to plate it here and I'll get the camera moved and we'll do a taste test. Alright, here's our French bread pizza. Let's do a taste. Perfect. The inside really soft, the outside has the crunch. So perfect French bread pizza, 3 minutes, can't beat that, right off the pizza stone. So this, other recipes are at superwaveovenrecipes.com. Anytime you want to come to this YouTube channel, just use waveovenrecipes.com. Twitter and Instagram also Wave Oven Recipes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments, share the video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and good eating.